Hi, I'm Heather. In this video, we'll walk through using Google Advanced Search to find subject-specific lesson plans. To go directly to Google Advanced Search, use the link provided below this video. Otherwise, type Advanced Search into your web browser or go directly to google.com/advanced_search. Google Advanced Search is a tool to narrow your search results. Today, I'm going to focus on these three search tools. This exact word or phrase is very helpful. To use this function, simply type the exact words you want in quotes, such as lesson plan. Any of these words can also be useful, as you can type any words related to your search that you want, such as art, arts, creative, visual, artistic, activity. None of these words is useful if you want to exclude something from your search. If you've ever performed a search in the past and found results that you didn't want from sites like Amazon, Pinterest, or Tumblr, now you can use this function to remove those results. Just type in whatever words you want removed into the search bar. Next, click Advanced Search at the bottom of the screen. We've narrowed our search down to about 20 million. Let's return back to the Advanced Search page to narrow our search with one more tool. By using the site or domain field, you can narrow your search to only include results from specific websites or domains. I want to keep my original search terms, but only search university or college websites with a focus on education. If you type .edu into the search bar, Google will only search for educational resources that end in .edu. Let's click Advanced Search again to see our results. Now our results have decreased to just over 200,000, so quite a bit less. We hope this helps you navigate Google Advanced Search. If you have any trouble or have questions, please feel free to reach out to us at flaxman@saic.edu.